Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't lose the chance to enter top 4 and stay far away from Tottenham Hotspur as Spurs lose to Chelsea 2-0. Arsenal play 0-0 with Burnley as they lose a lot of chances for the match. So Arsenal just lose the opportunity to close the gap and enter top 4 to stay with Manchester United on the same points and still can't get outstanding matches to play. So now wasted opportunity just be. After the match, I can't really say the only problem we will really get no be really midfielder be our problem as of now, because we still create chances. Our main problem is the scoring, the goal scoring department. A striker, as we did now, we no get striker. Lacazette to Ketia, we no get striker at all. So the first thing we're supposed to do now to buy a striker, because look at the way they play. Look at the chances so Lacazette they waste, guy. On a platter of gold, but they waste chances. If we get a clinical striker where they very sharp, who go fit dey bust all these nets. You don't need to create 1 million chances for a good striker to score again. Whether we like it or yes, Lacazette don't dey pass in prime. When they say somebody dey in peak, Lacazette no dey in peak again. Lacazette don't come up for peak. He don't dey pass in prime. That's why they never even give am new contracts. I believe now just all the 100 years are just speculation. As I believe, they never give a meaningful contract. If you don't give a contract, but it never dey meaningful, because look at what Lacazette. You see, Lacazette we need moving forward. I believe so. We need a good striker, someone else. So I pray make it see they will sign up for this January, because if it hard, because January, how many people will sell you their top players? You can have the money in the world, all the money you want. Look at Kylian Mbappe. They might don't fight for him. PSG no still great sell am to them, because nobody gives you the best players in January. It is very, very hard. That be the major problem, unless one they collect shit backer or rejects from other clubs. So now so you just look for striker, because yesterday was very, very disappointing and no dey happy at all. I'm a familiar setting. They're going to ask Mikel Arteta, so what will be the next step now after they don't draw with Burnley 0-0? So Baba Conte say they will go Dubai now for a break, the winter break. They'll go reunite, go refocus, because they get a lot of things to do. So many matches to play left, get around maybe like 17 matches to go or thereabout. So many things will still happen again. Nobody today. So maybe they go refocus, and at least they will stay out for like maybe 18 or 17 days. So they will get many players who will come back from training. Those who are on treatment table, like all those Tomiyasu them, everybody will be more fit. Look at the way Bukayo Saka play yesterday. You said we will not say no be this same Saka play against Liverpool, because he know they fit for that one at all. But for this one, you play yesterday, you see the way the guy they sharp, they run things. Our major problem now, our major problem, now be striking department. We don't get good striker. At the same time, they ask Mikel Arteta, say how far the new players now. She would not go fit bring in new players. We will come help and enter top 4. I mean, I no go bring. So Baba Conte say this thing now. Where you just ask me now. Say now be the plan. You get our plan was for this January we go drafting some kind of players who will come help us achieve our top 4 aim. But he hard though. So Baba Conte say the market they very, very complicated, because things no dey very, very easy. It is complicated and difficult to get. Now, see Baba talk say no easy for them at all. Like I Orieko before, no club they like to give out their best players. Get okay. Look at Juventus now. Juventus they talked before will carry Ottomano. They go get their own replacements. And so it be nobody wants to be depleted just because they want to satisfy you. Nobody be us. So we'll give somebody instrument and nice here to no get better midfield replacement. Look at how we are suffering. Get us view. At the same time, they can ask Arteta say whether new players go come before January 31st, just to be sure. We'll just know where we stand. So Arteta can say almost say that they try all their best to, but it's like their best are not enough. They try to bring new players, but you know they're very easy. So maybe you know talk say maybe they know they try. Say they are trying gone, but just be say it never work out. At the same time, they can also make Arteta analyze how the game go. What you see for the game, what will be the positives and what will be the negatives. So Baba Conte say the team try at least for the second half. So we brought a lot of urgency, because for the beginning we were slow, complacent. Say we don't really play the way we're supposed to play. Get that pace, that fastness. We were not quick with the ball, and Burnley can't defend with their life. Burnley were defending a lot. And another thing we say, Burnley dey very big and giant, so the bottom line is we play all our best to get, we try our best. Second half, no how we self play, just say we lose a lot of chances. That's the thing. And another thing is, so for the side striker, we need a target man, because it was evident yesterday say we no get any option. We were limited to just crossing, grounder. We no fit do up ball, because we do up ball one another. Chena, like I said, one not ball where me dey, I be where Tarkowski dey. I want a not ball for where Giants dey. David did not go ball where Goliath dey. You know, they be possible now. So you need somebody, a original target man, somebody who feel the nonsense. That's what we don't have. So we need short. I don't know that this January will address all these problems. So I'm not saying for summer, another summer overhaul that we wait for. At the same time, Arteta can confirm say even if Arsenal go sign players, so we will sign only players we go come improve our squad. We will just sign players for the sake of signing players. See, because everybody is clamoring for us to sign players, never sign. They will just go outside, go to sign or do panic buys. So we no go do panic buy or just buy anyhow. So now only those we go really improve our squad that we go pay money for. Well, I pray say that's what we go with. Maybe that's why they got focused on Vlahovic and Otomelu. Maybe they don't see say okay now only these two people that go fit improve our squad from what we get already, because chance creating, all those creating chances no be really our problem. We dey create. Now finisher we no get a clinical finisher. We dey create. Nobody will tell me say we no create chances. We dey create. Look at the last 4 games now, we never score 1 goal. What are you telling me? I go talk say we no dey create chances. All the chances wey they miss on the platter of gold don't come. Then for injury updates, they come dey ask Arteta say how far Tomiyasu now, say when the guy dey come back or when he go dey out. So Baba come talk say Tomiyasu go dey out for a few weeks. You get, so they don't say he will recover on time. Don't say he never recover, finish come playing against that Liverpool, and that match come be one kind of high intensity match. You know, it is they affect and that's why they say me the people rest up. If you notice for the match they play against Burnley, and Ben White play right back, you get, so they just say me Tomiyasu rest. So Baba say in a few weeks. So I don't say for this winter break now here, when everybody don't come back, everybody will don't come back fresh and sharp. Those who get coronavirus, everybody will don't recover, as in no lily, we don't come back. Come on, firing on all cylinder. On my prayer with that. And at the same time, after the match, so Aaron Ramsdale can't come outside, can't talk in your own opinion for the way Arsenal take place. So Baba can't say, I'm gonna make you no lie, saying go give credit to Burnley players because they played with their lives, they defended very well, they made life unbearable for us with their defending. So they really deserve that 1 point, because you know they easy for at the point we just give them wave upon waves upon waves of attack, but they no gree. As in Saka was very hot that yesterday, back, they no gree, no space. Yesterday we were just unlucky, I just put them like that because we were wasteful on the night. So it is what it is, no complaints. At the same time, Kylian Tierney himself don't come outside, come talk say Arsenal standard, na Champions League you get, Champions League or nothing. Then Champions League we supposed to be cool with the way our pedigree be and where we are coming from. You get, say we are supposed to go back to that Champions League, and there be our home. You get, but it's easier said than done. She like the way we take the waste opportunities, the waste chances. Now we won't go to the Champions League. No be mad to take the go now. If you want to go Champions League, guys hustle, play hard, win some kind of unwinnable games. Games really tough, like all this one way. Burnley did 10 men behind the ball. Hold it very well. Scatter that defense. Look for a way, any which way. Look for a way, to score 1 goal. That's what it's supposed to be, but it's not possible for us yesterday. Our Perigroup self don't come and secondly advise Mikel Arteta and the hierarchy, say make we manage our expectation. You get, say expecting top 4 for at the end of the season is an unrealistic expectation, because you know go dey easy. Like I talk when I was live yesterday, I asked my guest one question. I say, "Shey, as we dey now, we are coming from nothing. We end 8th last season. We are coming from nothing, and everybody expect us to just jump into the Champions League. Is it not an unfair level of expectation?" I asked that thing. Some of my guests say, "No, we are supposed to be there." But is it that easy? Look at the top clubs in England. Shey, we won't beat them. Look at Liverpool, look at Man City, look at Chelsea. You get, they will never know that 4th place now. There with the hustle, so okay, what could they look at Man U, look at the way Man U hustle, beat West Ham, 93 minutes go. When it matter most, like Man U beat up, when it matter most, like when we need Arsenal most, they know they always turn up. Even Baba Sato self-talker, they know they always turn up. As in when we really need them badly, they know they turn up. I don't know why. And the problem now is still on the striker. So that's just the thing. Sign striker will go help us. Even if now on loan, sign somebody will go help us. if we don't sign anybody now, to the end to play the second half of the season, just imagine say another wave of coronavirus come catch our players, or suspensions or injuries come keep some people out. Okay, look, I just imagine that Partey and Shakade out to not get any adequate replacement. It makes sense. A whole club like Arsenal will not get an adequate replacement, and those two now be our first choice pairing. So two of them no dey like this now, we are finished. Aubameyang, because Aubameyang no dey score again now. Look at Lacazette now, nothing, just 3 goals in how many? Maybe 20 something matches we don't play now. Baba scored just 3 goals in 20, and we are proud to say he's a good striker. If you ask people now, they'll say hey, hold up play one job. Well, I mean, I free this matter, Jerry. On my mandatory spirit, where they call Toto Mercato Web, don't come outside and let us know. Say Arsenal and Juventus they set to hold fresh Otomelo talks for Monday. Get now today, they will hold fresh Otomelo talks. Then anyhow the deal go, we will know, because Juventus they talk say they want 18 months loan offer. Make Arsenal give them with an obligation to buy. Though Arsenal originally said that 6 months own them once, but when they say Arsenal no they worried, say they do okay with that 18 months. Well, everything na pen to paper, and Juventus now I never know whether they don't get replacement. This is why we see they say they get fresh talks today. Well, more the watch as everything will turn out. I will let you know. And another thing we on the fly for social media na the challenge wey Ashley Westwood give Kylian Tierney, wey Baba wan scatter Kylian Tierney leg and they give am yellow card. So many people dey complain say if to say na Granit Xhaka now, or maybe na Thomas Partey now, they go throw red card straight. So you come be like say maybe the referee association can dey biased against Arsenal, because I don't know why they don't give Westwood a red card again. So I don't know, some of them I will never say that the picture be this, mean I see how everything takes up. So many people they complain, more people they complain go. So if like say the FA get one kind of agenda against Arsenal, I don't want to make Arsenal enter top 4. Thing just shock me. So if you don't watch yesterday's program, then check the top left corner of your screen. You will see, and then so click the thumbnail so you go feel watch them and get updated every day. So it's Achuk signing out. Have a great week. Happy Monday. And get out.